What's up? What's up? It's a special tips episode. Get ready to listen to a quick tip and apply it into your life to accelerate your fertility results. And let's get fertile AF.
Hi, this is Bridgit Danner with Functional Detox Products. And my tip number 2 is coffee enemas, which is probably my most controversial and exciting tip I give. It's not very common in our culture these days, but it's actually pretty easy to do. And me and many of my clients can attest, it gives you a lot of energy quickly, especially when you're going through chronic illness and you're really struggling. It's a pretty simple procedure. It takes about an hour. It does take a few times to get used to. We have a YouTube video detailing it more, but it's great for detoxification. It actually increases glutathione levels in your bloodstream while you do it. It also pumps the bile, and it's helping make bowel movements, although that isn't like the number one reason you do it. But it's sort of an all-in-one detox experience. It's only going to cost you about $1. So I'm a fan. You can check with your practitioner, check with your physician, but just consider, if you're going through a chronic condition, coffee enema.
As I always say, the most important part is taking action. Taking imperfect action is fine too. Make sure to apply the tip into your life so you can get fertile AF. I'll see you soon.